welcome to our channel. In today's video, discover the secret to reducing your tax impact on equity investment. It's called tax harvesting. The finance minister introduced a long-term capital gain tax on equity investment in 2018. This means that if you make a profit on your equity investment held for more than 12 months and the profit is over 1 lakh in a financial year, it is taxable at 10%. Now, if you are a new investor or just starting with mutual funds, your yearly gain may not exceed the rupees 1 lakh limit immediately. But over time, your profit grow, you will likely cross the threshold at some point. Similarly, if you have a large equity portfolio, your incremental gains will also be higher. So if you want to pay low or no tax, you need to ensure that your gains don't build up beyond the tax-free limit, and that's where tax harvesting comes into play. Tax harvesting is the strategy of selling a part of your mutual fund unit to book long-term capital gain and reinvesting the proceeds into the same mutual fund. Let's take an example to understand this better. Imagine you have invested 4 lakhs in an equity mutual fund on 20th November 2021. 1 year later, on 21st November 2022, the value of your investment increased to 4.9 lakh. If you redeem your investment, now your gain will be 90,000 and your taxable liability will be zero. Because any equity investment held for more than 12 months qualifies for long-term capital gain, and tax is payable only if the gain exceeds rupees 1 lakh limit in a financial year. Now, if you reinvest the entire amount of 4.9 lakhs soon after redeeming, your investment cost will be reset to 4.9 lakh along with the date of investment. Let's say that after another year, the value of your investment increases to 5.5 lakh. When you redeem your investment now, your gain will be rupees 60,000, which is still less than 1 lakh limit. Had you not redeemed and reinvested your profits, your long-term gains would have been rupees 1.5 lakh, and you would have needed to pay 10% tax on the amount that exceeded the 1 lakh limit. That means a tax of 5,000. So you can see how tax harvesting can help you save on taxes when investing in equity mutual fund. You can also use this strategy when investing through SIP. Just redeem the amount that you have held for more than 12 months and reinvest. However, if you redeem the units but don't reinvest, the strategy becomes meaningless. If you have invested in mutual funds using the Kuvera app, you can take advantage of our tax harvesting feature. Our app monitors your mutual fund investments and notifies you when you have the opportunity to harvest long-term capital gains, which can help you reduce your tax impact. So tax gain and tax loss harvesting are simple yet effective way to bring down the taxes you will pay on your equity investment. Just remember to reinvest the money as soon as you get the redemption amount in your account, or you may risk breaking your compounding journey. Thank you for watching. For more content on personal finance and investing, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We will see you in the next video.